What if everything you learned about money is incomplete? Not wrong, just missing the most important part: human behavior. Because money isn't only about numbers, income, or investment formulas. It's about how people think, react, fear, hope, compare, and decide. Today, you'll learn the mindset shifts that actually build real financial stability. Not quick riches, but lasting peace. Most financial decisions don't happen calmly with spreadsheets. They happen emotionally. For example, someone sees friends buying expensive phones or cars and suddenly feels pressure to upgrade. Not because they need it, but because they don't want to feel left behind. Another person who experienced financial hardship earlier may save aggressively even after income improves. Same income, different behavior, different results. That's why money success often comes from behavior, not intelligence. Your upbringing shapes your financial habits more than you realize. If your family struggled financially, you might fear spending and focus heavily on security. If money was always comfortable, you might spend more easily or take bigger risks. Neither approach is perfect, but understanding your background helps you make better decisions instead of repeating unconscious habits. Hard work matters, but timing matters too. Imagine two people starting businesses with equal skills. One launches during economic growth and grows quickly, the other launches during a slowdown and struggles. Or think about investing. Investing before a market rise looks smart. Investing before a downturn feels like failure. Same effort, different timing. Recognizing this keeps you humble during success and patient during setbacks. Another common trap is the endless chase for more. Many people believe they'll relax once they earn a bit more money. But when income rises, expenses usually rise too. A better phone, a bigger home, more lifestyle upgrades. Without defining what enough means, satisfaction keeps moving further away. Financial peace often comes from contentment, not constant chasing. Compounding is one of the simplest but most powerful money principles. It just means growth builds on previous growth. Saving small amounts regularly may not look impressive at first, but over years, interest grows on interest and the effect becomes huge. Think of fitness. One workout changes little. Consistent workouts transform your body. Money works the same way. Time multiplies effort. Making money is one skill, keeping it is another. Many people focus only on earning more but ignore spending habits. Two people can earn the same income. One saves consistently while the other spends everything. After years, their financial situations look completely different. Income matters, but habits matter more. Big success often comes from a few important moments. One opportunity, one investment, one decision can change everything. That means you don't have to be perfect all the time. You just need persistence so you're still in the game when those big opportunities arrive. Money's greatest benefit isn't luxury, it's freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time, where you live, what work you do, and how you support your family. That peace and flexibility often bring more happiness than expensive possessions. Trying to impress others financially rarely works. When someone buys something expensive expecting admiration, people usually admire the object, not the person. The attention fades quickly, but financial pressure stays. Quiet financial stability often brings more long-term satisfaction than visible luxury. Real wealth is often invisible. It looks like savings, investments, low debt, and financial flexibility. Many wealthy people live simply because they prioritize security over display. Appearances can be misleading. Saving money, even without a specific goal, creates options. It helps during emergencies, allows career changes, reduces stress, and gives confidence. Income helps, but habits matter more. You don't need complicated financial strategies. Simple habits work surprisingly well. Spend less than you earn, save consistently, invest patiently, avoid unnecessary risks. Consistency usually beats complexity. Unexpected events always happen. Economic changes, health issues, job shifts, life is unpredictable. Preparing for uncertainty with emergency funds, diversification, and reasonable spending reduces stress significantly. Always leave room for error. Think about driving. You keep distance from the car ahead, not because a crash is certain, but because it's possible. Money works the same way. Financial buffers protect peace of mind. Your priorities will change over time. Early career may focus on earning, later you may value time, family, stability, or flexibility more. Keeping financial plans adaptable helps future happiness. Investing also requires emotional strength. Markets go up and down. Reacting emotionally often leads to panic decisions and losses. Calm, long-term thinking usually produces better results. Fear spreads faster than progress. News highlights crises because they grab attention, but most financial progress happens slowly and quietly. Focusing on long-term direction instead of daily noise helps maintain stability. In the end, financial stability isn't about complicated formulas. It comes from consistent saving, controlled spending, patient investing, emotional discipline, and humility. Behavior shapes outcomes more than intelligence. If you want practical starting points, begin simple. Save regularly even if the amount is small. Avoid unnecessary debt. Build an emergency fund. Ignore unhealthy comparisons. Focus on long-term growth. Protect what you earn. Small habits repeated over time create powerful results. Money isn't just about earning more, it's about thinking differently. When you control habits, emotions, and expectations, financial stability becomes much easier. True wealth isn't luxury. It's freedom, security, peace of mind, and the ability to live without constant financial stress.